We guide you through how to temporarily deactivate your Snapchat account so you can take a break without losing your data permanently. First thing you need to do is open a web browser on your laptop, PC, or mobile device and go to the Snapchat accounts portal. Then, log in with your username and password. Once signed in, select Delete My Account and you'll see the option to temporarily deactivate it. Snapchat will deactivate your account for 30 days, during which your friends won't be able to contact you or see your profile. If you log in again within 30 days, the account will automatically reactivated and all your data, friends, and chats will be restored. After 30 days of inactivity, the account will be temporarily or permanently deleted. This method allows you to step away from Snapchat safely while keeping the option to return anytime.